breath work in Wim Hof, it's just so simple and it's so consistently effective. The reason why it is a method is because there's science behind it that you can look up and you can learn more about.
When you hear that someone can control their body like Wim Hof can, you have to learn.
By learning the science, they were able to become confident in the process of getting into the cold.
Then I learned about the cold exposure. And when I got in the ice, I had an amazing experience. I actually felt completely calm, very much at peace. So I highly recommend anybody that would like to feel healthy, happy, and strong.
Coming out of the water, you feel like this surge of energy, kind of life-altering. It was very energizing and a completely different experience than anything I've had before.
Anyone who feels right now that they're not in control of their mind or their body can find a simple practice that can give them this back.